So, Dominique, should we start or we wait 1 minute more?
Maybe we can wait a minute.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I think we can start don't delay the meeting time. So welcome to the IETF role interim meeting. Please be aware of the not well. This meeting is aligned with the IETF policies and the not well. We are not going to read it here, but you should be aware that this meeting are aligned with those rules. And as well, we expect that everyone treat each other with respect and in professional way. So these are the resources for remote participation. Please volunteer for minute takers. The link of the notes are in the chat as well. This is the agenda for today. This introduction, then we are going to mention the status of the RNFD, MOPEX, enrollment priority, and NSA extension. Finally, with the open floor. Some comments on that? Okay. So for draft status, AUDV Ripple was set to AD evaluation. DAO projection was submitted to the ISG, and the routing directory review was addressed. We are waiting for the routing directory reviewer to reply if the version 34 address all the concerns of the reviewer. Then for NSA, it's in progress. Issues are being addressed. Then enrollment priority as well is in progress. As MOPEX as well has open issues that has to be addressed. Their RNFD as well. Then the drafts that are waiting for attention are the capabilities and the root acknowledge.
What does this mean? Waiting for attention?
That basically are expired and need to be worked on. Okay. Yes, Dominique?
Yeah, I was just going to give a different answer, but yeah, just nobody is working on them. So okay. They're waiting. Hello, Horace, by the way. I haven't said hello yet. And hello. I see Pascal joining as well. And we lost Michael.
Yes, I think Michael going back, but no.
He'll be back.
Yeah. Okay, more questions? Okay, then we proceed. Milestones were not changed since the last time. They were updated in January. Comments? Okay. So there are open tickets in GitHub. For MOPEX, we have 2 tickets. RNFD, 4 tickets. NNC extension, we have 2 tickets, and enrollment priority, 2 tickets. And those we believe that are being addressed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for regular meetings, we aim for have meeting every 2 months. So the next meeting will be April, May. We will make a doodle for dates in both months, and let's see what is the date that we decide. Some thoughts on this? Yeah, Yaris?
We can talk directly. Yes, so for me it's fine.
Yes, please. You can add some comment.
No, it was just this. It's
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Further comments? No. Okay. This errata from the Mr. Hoff draft was verified. So thank you, Dominic, for help improve the document. The RFC.
Yeah, actually, that was a consequence of the NSA draft by RS, which prompted me to go back and read RFC 6719 again. And I figured, oh, something's not right there. So thanks, RS, as well.
So I created a problem, and it cascaded into other places as well, right?
Yeah, we're making the whole thing better, so that's good.
Great, thank you. Further comments? Okay, we proceed with the RNFD. Basically, the status is that we have got 4 reviews from the Routing Directorate, Security Directorate, review for Anand and Carles. So every review has a ticket to be tracked, and all these reviews are being addressed. The author confirmed us on that, and they are changing the draft, but it's not yet published. When it's ready, the author will be publishing the draft, of course. And then the next steps after these reviews being addressed, we are going to issue the working group last call. Then the shepherd will follow up and then submit to the ISG. Comments or suggestions? Okay. Then for MOPEX, we have MOPEX now. Dominic?
Okay. Well, the agenda was different, but never mind. So, yeah, last time at the interim, we discussed MOPEX stuff, and the issue 28 is about reusing the same numbers for the old. I mean, the existing values for MOP within the extended field MOPEX. And so I said I would provide some text, which I'm working on these days. So I expect something soon on that, within a few days. I've just set up the fork on GitHub and Git repo on my computer and started hacking the text. But anyway, it would be good if we have somebody else willing to read or comment or contribute text or work with me. So if anybody's interested, please let me know.
I might take a look, but I'm between this and the enrollment priority, which I had also read in the past. So I need to manage my time.
Yeah, I think you have already a lot on your plate, if I'm not mistaken.
A bit.
Maybe Pascal will read my prose before we publish.
In the chat, Alper Demir is happy to contribute.
Oh, good.
Thank you very much, Alper Demir. Do you want to introduce yourself?
since we are a very small group, feel free to jump in.
Yes.
So Dominique, yes, if you send me some posts to review, I will look at it certainly.
Very good.
Dominique, did you hear me? I'm not sure my mic works. I mean, I never know.
It does. Thank you. I heard you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your offer, and I'll take you on it. And I see Alper introducing himself in the chat, so that's good. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Okay, so yeah, I'll as soon as text ready on the GitHub fork, I'll send a pointer so you can have a look and we can discuss it. Very good. Thank you for the contact information, Alper.
Okay, thank you, Dominique. Further comments or questions? Okay, then we can go to the enrollment priority. So last version was from November. We got the security directory review and the routing directory review. The security directory review, the reviewer outlined some issues, and the ticket 18 tracked them. And the routing directory review, just some needs, and the ticket 19 tracked it. We have assigned, or we have asked 2 reviewers for review this document, but we have not get answer yet. Anyway, we keep getting asking people for review this document, and then after have addressed that, we will issue the working group last call and working the shepherd to publish. Some comments or questions? Okay. Michael is not now here, but yeah, I think he is up to the date with the status of the document. So we proceed. Same for NSA extension. Dominique?
Yes, well, it's very simple. I think nothing has changed since last time.
No, sorry, yeah, I didn't manage to work on it. So the idea is to create a shorter version of the draft to basically remove the dependence on Mr. Hoff specifically, to make it as a generic technique. Let's see if that makes sense or not. This is what Pascal had proposed last time, if I remember correctly.
Yes. Agreed.
Okay, great. Thank you. Further comments or questions? Okay. So I think an open floor was a fast meeting. Someone, some comments? Have some comments or questions?
Sorry, I was taking notes. Yeah, I just want to mention again, I reiterate that I intend to step down as a co-chair, and I need to be, well, I'd love to be relieved on June 1st, because I might be off grid for some time after that, so not being able to assume the duties of a co-chair. So that's my statement, and I know we have a candidate. I'm not filled in as to what the process is for appointing a co-chair candidate. John, as an AD, didn't come back to us, to our emails, asking what the process is. I may find the information another way. I don't know. Sorry, I wished I could say more at this meeting, but right now this is the status.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Pascal?
Yes, there's still the review of the rod projection. Do you have any news on that topic?
We have writing to Sue, to the reviewer, and we are waiting for her reply. As soon as I have it, I wrote her in January, and she said that she was a bit busy, and that she will review it and get back to us. So I'm still. We are waiting. We understand that she's very busy, probably more now that is in. We have the next IETF soon, but I will keep ping her. So. But yeah, as soon as we learn something, we will let you know. Anyway, I put you in CC in the emails.
Thank you, Ines. Thanks so much.
Yes. Thank you. Some further comment or questions? Okay, so next step will be to send the doodle for the next interim meeting in April or May. Okay. Thank you very much to everyone, and I hope to see you in the IETF 119.
Yes.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
Thank
care.
you. If anybody can fill the notes on enrollment priority, I was taking notes on MOPEX
Yes,
at the time, so if you can.
Okay, I will do it.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Thank you all. Have
Thank
a nice
you.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.